you want to send your kid to school, you think your kid's going to be safe there. This particular case was difficult. The kids who came forward were pretty remarkable, but we had some kids whose parents just didn't want to put their kids through testifying. Right now, and I've talked to many people about it, when a school employee is inappropriate with a child, the school itself investigates it. And I've had like 3 of these cases in 1 year just in Pottawattamie County. And 2 of the schools did a nice job investigating it, but the Treynor, we didn't have anything. It's like they didn't act at all. That's frustrating. The cases are a challenge. You see the kids try to get through testimony, and when they've been abused by a superior, it's traumatic for them. It's traumatic to come forward. It's traumatic dealing with what do you do about the situation. It's also traumatic because there's a lot of pressure from other people on the scene, like fellow students, parents who don't want to believe it, and I've seen kids just have a heck of a time at school. I spoke to 5 different victims. One of our first victims, the statute ran. 2 of the victims, the law wasn't on the books yet, and then the final 2 victims where we had viable cases. So I talked to 5, heard about other potential victims, but never got to speak to those other potential victims. They didn't want to come forward. As far as Mike Travis, we did what we could with the status of the law. Factually, some of the incidents took place before exploitation by a school employee was made illegal in Iowa. I'm concerned about him. I think he is a danger because I believe these girls that came forward and the things that he did with these girls when they were students.